Hello friends, welcome to my channel How to Do This. So today I'm going to tell you four very good ways in which you can make educational videos on your phone itself. Okay friends, whether it is lockdown time or even if you want to upload your lectures, your videos on the internet, then also these ways are the best for you to do. Okay, so now let's begin. So the first method is blackboard teaching method. That is the traditional method we use to teach in the classrooms. This you can do online as well. Friends, you can see this is one of my videos that I have uploaded on my another channel. So for this you need a whiteboard, fine, and you need to place your phone on something like a phone stand, or if you can make some arrangements at your home itself, then it is very fine to teach by the whiteboard. And you can also come in front of the camera if you want to. And this is the second method where I am teaching on my notebook, managing my phone where it is placed on in somewhere in between the stack of books where my the page and the pen comes accurate so that the users can view it. Here I'm taking notebook instead. You can also place your book and teach the students line by line, word to word. You can read out and the look will come out to be very fine, and the students will also form a great concentration in this. You can also use your phone stand if you have that to hold the phone for this method. Now the third method is by scanning the images you want to teach to the students. Sometimes it happens that you don't even have the phone stand, and you are unable to place your phone on something. So this is the method, like you are having your notes or your textbook, you can scan the images with the cam scanner, or even you can take the clear pictures to teach to the students. So first thing is that scanning the images, then it will form the PDF and you can very easily scroll up and down like you can see in this video of mine, fine. Now secondly, you need a software to do the recording of whatever you are speaking and whatever is going on the screen. So from the Play Store or App Store, you need to download X Recorder or DU Recorder. While I'm using X Recorder to record such videos, you can see mine videos. And now we will see the fourth method, which is also the favorite method of me, that is teaching through PowerPoint presentations. Guys, if you are in a teaching profession, you must know about the PPT making on laptops. You must have generally made that, but on phone also it is very easy to make. For that, my another video is this. That link I will give in the description box. Fine. So like you can see in the video, this is one of my videos which I have made using the PowerPoint presentations. Friends, it is very interesting as it contains a number of animations, transitions, and even we can add on pictures, and what text will come at what point, this we can decide ourselves. Okay, so for this we need to have two applications. That is, first one is the MS PowerPoint, fine, that you can easily download from the Play Store, and another is the same screen recorder, that is X Recorder or DU Recorder you can use, which will record whatever is going on the screen as well as the voice that you are speaking up to teach your children or the viewers. And believe me friends, this method is very easy and interesting to use. Just check the description for the link and you will definitely learn from there how you can make PPT on phone. It is a very trending topic. Fine. So I hope these four methods you will find it very easy to make on at your home, at your place, without any professional equipments. So friends, if you like this video, then do show me your thumbs up, that is like this video, and share it with your friends also, and subscribe to my channel with a hit on the bell icon so that whatever I upload you get its notification on your phone itself. So friends, see you in the next video with the another answer to how to do this.